What's up, everybody? Today I'm going to be doing another house cleaning video to test vacuum cleaning performance. Today I will be featuring my Hoover Soft and Light Supreme from 2002. Yes, that's how new these Elites come, or at least the homeowner version. The commercial line, I believe, ran till like 2011 before they were discontinued. But anyway, yes, as far as I know, the Elite production ran till like the early 2010s. So these things were amazing machines. So anyway, as usual for all my tests, I'm going to be running the HEPA Type A bag just so I can get increased airflow and performance. And one thing I would like to point out, since this is one of the newer models, and an easy way to tell, is that this has a 12 amp motor versus like a 7.2 amp or a 6 amp or a 5 amp. But one thing that makes this a little lower end is the fact that this has the single row brush roll. One thing I found out is the bristles are not as stiff as some of the other Elite brush rolls I've seen. So single row soft bristle brush roll and a 12 amp motor that it draws so much air that it's almost hard to push and pull this thing. But anyway, we'll see how it works once I put it to the test. So let's go ahead and release the cord. Alright, now let's go ahead and get going here. Because of how short the cord is, I had to stop and switch plugs. So let's get back. Alright, now we're going to move on to the rest of the house. Alright, now everything is complete. I will say this is a nice machine to use, and sure definitely feels like it moves a lot of air because it sometimes gets pretty hard just to push and pull the thing. And I'm already starting to sweat just after doing all that work. But anyway, now let's go ahead and see what this thing picked up. Alright, as we look inside here, it does not look too bad. I'd say the performance is very great on something as old as this. Alright, well, that was the whole house clean performance video of the Hoover Soft and Light Supreme. It's an amazing machine, but the only thing I wish it had was a longer cord, because I had to stop and switch a lot of plugs. And also, I would have upgraded to the dual row brush roll to see if, with much stiffer bristles, just so it'd probably clean and agitate the carpet much better than this soft single row. But anyway, it did good nonetheless. So I hope you've enjoyed the video, and don't forget to like, rate, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.